Only about 8 to 10% of the world has blue eyes. That makes them one of the rarer natural eye colors on Earth. But here's something most people don't realize. Blue eyes aren't actually blue. There is no blue pigment inside the iris. The color you see is created by light. Just like the sky appears blue during the day, the secret lies in the structure of the iris. The iris has two main layers, and those layers interact with light in very different ways. The back layer is always dark and heavily pigmented. It absorbs most incoming light. The front layer is called the stroma. This is where eye color becomes visible. In brown eyes, the stroma contains high amounts of melanin. Melanin absorbs light and creates darker tones. But in blue eyes, melanin levels are much lower. Light enters the tissue instead of being absorbed. Shorter wavelengths scatter back toward us, and that scattering makes the iris appear blue. This effect is similar to Rayleigh scattering, the same phenomenon that makes the sky blue. So blue eyes are structurally colored, not pigment colored. But physics is only part of the story. Eye color is influenced by genetics. Variations near genes on chromosome 15 play a role. One important gene involved is called OCA2. Another gene, known as HERC2, helps control how OCA2 works. Together, these genes help regulate how much melanin the iris produces. When melanin production is reduced, the iris becomes lighter. For years, people believed blue eyes were simply a recessive trait. But modern genetics shows that eye color is polygenic. That means several genes interact to determine the final color. The genetics behind eye color are far more complex than once believed. Two brown-eyed parents can sometimes have a child with blue eyes, because inheritance isn't simply one gene versus another. Human genetic diversity produces a wide range of eye colors, and those variations can appear across generations. Eye color emerges from the interaction of many genetic factors. Blue eyes are not evenly distributed around the world. They are most common in Northern and Eastern Europe. Countries like Finland and Estonia have some of the highest rates of blue eyes. In some regions, a majority of the population has blue eyes. In many other parts of the world, blue eyes are extremely rare. So where did blue eyes originally come from? Scientists believe blue eyes began with a single genetic mutation. That mutation likely appeared between 6,000 and 10,000 years ago. Researchers believe it may have originated near the Black Sea, meaning everyone with blue eyes may share a distant common ancestor. Over time, this genetic trait began spreading across populations. Human migrations helped carry the mutation across new regions. As populations grew, the gene spread through larger communities. Some scientists suggest attraction may have played a role. Rare traits can sometimes become desirable because they are unusual. Another explanation involves something called the founder effect. Population bottlenecks can also amplify certain genetic traits. But no single explanation fully accounts for the spread of blue eyes. Despite its small origin, the mutation endured for thousands of years. A tiny genetic change eventually shaped the appearance of millions. Over time, blue eyes also became surrounded by cultural myths. Some myths suggested blue eyes were linked to intelligence. Others claimed eye color revealed personality traits. But modern science finds no evidence supporting these ideas. Eye color does not determine intelligence, personality, or character. It is simply the result of biology and genetics. Modern genetics provides a clearer explanation for eye color. People with blue eyes can sometimes be more sensitive to light. This is because lighter eyes contain less melanin. Lower melanin allows more light to enter the eye, but blue eyes do not provide better night vision. In fact, no eye color provides a general visual advantage. Many popular beliefs about eye color simply do not hold up scientifically. At its core, eye color is just biology in action. Different eye colors simply reflect different levels of pigment, and the way light interacts with that structure, the original mutation was carried forward through generations, passing from parents to children over thousands of years. Today, that mutation is visible in every blue-eyed glance, and it appears in millions of people around the world. Blue eyes may seem mysterious, but their story is really one of genetics and geography. The story of blue eyes reflects the movement of human populations. Modern genetic research reveals clues about this evolutionary journey. Even tiny genetic changes can shape human appearance. Blue eyes are created by the interaction of biology and light. Their origin traces back to deep ancestral roots. Long before modern civilizations emerged, all blue-eyed people may trace their trait back to a single mutation, a small genetic moment that changed human history. Over time, human diversity continued to expand. Different variations of eye color emerged across populations. Human perception often shaped cultural meanings around these differences. Blue eyes frequently appeared in art and storytelling, sometimes admired for their striking appearance. But admiration sometimes led to misunderstanding, because eye color is ultimately grounded in biology and shaped by the way light interacts with the iris. All of these variations ultimately share the same human ancestry. Blue eyes are just one part of the broader human eye color spectrum, from deep brown to hazel, green, gray, and blue. Each color carries its own genetic story. Most of the variation comes down to differences in melanin, yet the same biological principles apply to all of them. No eye color is superior to another. They are simply different expressions of human genetics. Eye color is simply a reflection of human diversity, a result of adaptation and genetic variation, part of the ongoing story of human evolution. Blue eyes represent just one chapter in that story, a chapter shaped by the interaction of light and biology, and written in the language of DNA, carried across continents through countless generations. But blue eyes are not actually the rarest eye color. The rarest eye color belongs to another shade entirely, an eye color even less common than blue, often mistaken for blue depending on the lighting, created by a different balance of pigment and light scattering. That color is green, and its story is even more fascinating.